Hey everybody, Professor Benelo here with one last video wrapping up the semester. Hard to believe we're at the end of our 5.5 week semester. But anyway, okay, starting off with my office hour schedule for this week. Last office hour is going to be held on Monday, which will be May 11th from 6:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Okay, now due dates. Remember your Unit 5 due dates. These are the very last due dates for this semester. Your Unit 5 in telepath is going to be due on Tuesday, May 12th. So please get that in. And remember, get in your Unit 2 discussion board or Unit 4 discussion board if you have not done so already. So incredibly important to get these assignments in. The very last day of the semester will be Thursday, May 14th. So all work needs to be turned in by that time. And if you are going to do practices and revisions on IntelliPath to boost your grade in IntelliPath, that needs to be completed by May 14th as well. So get all these assignments in, everybody. Finish strong. And once again, it's been my honor and pleasure to have been a part of your collegiate journey, and particularly your journey into history this last 5.5 weeks. I wish you nothing but good luck. Best wishes, everybody.